Still watching the CL. All right, I shorted the CL. That is a Rockstar trade. I didn't need to have a Rockstar there. That could have just been a speed tick trade setup. And +5. Yep, it really tested the other side of that level. It's nice to have that safety net in place. So it like to jump and test the other side a little bit. That's why we have found our sweet spot, being +5 and the -7. So it got close, but there it goes. Oh yeah, there was a Rockstar there on the NQ off the high of the day. Didn't have Ovos or pullback alert on the previous one, but we did have that high of the day behind it outside of that naked Rockstar zone. Good job, Alan. Ken?
Watching the YM. Shorted the YM. It gave us a nice little pop when it opened. Nope, no go on that one. He's still watching it on the open of the next bar. Just a little bit of gas left in that freight train before it decided to do its thing. All right, I shorted it again. There we go, +5. You know, all we can do is get dialed in to where, you know, it's most likely to happen. Not going to happen exactly where we want it to every time. That's why I talk about the sweet spot so much. Now we're going to get a pullback with a high degree of probability. How many ticks and exactly when? We don't know exact, because nobody knows anything exact in trading, but we get as close as anybody can. So for those of you that are just visiting, I don't know how many trade rooms you've been to, but in my experience, it seemed like the moderator almost never lost a trade. And you end up you end up feeling like the biggest idiot because you're the only one that seems to lose a trade and the moderator never seems to. So that's why I call out my trades before I get in the trade, or as I get in the trade, or right after I get into the trade, to let you know I'm in the trade. And whatever happens, happens. There's no hiding. And that's what happened on the first one. I got smacked around, and that's trading, and that's the real deal. Yeah, and you've been around. I appreciate that. Here's the interesting thing. Alan left us for a good while. He went on the hunt for bigger and better, and then came back after having been down that path and decided that this is where he was going to make his mark. Alright, so that's a qualified Rockstar. If you got a good fill like I did when it jumps, I'm always real eager to try to get those fills on the jumps. Freight training. +5. It was a qualified Rockstar because, alright, so I didn't have an overbought condition. I did not have a pullback alert. That's for a naked Rockstar. Alright, this bar opened less than 5 ticks from that high of the day. So that qualifies as just a regular Rockstar setup. Not need overbought condition. I did not need a pullback alert for that.